Okay, so I don't know when this actually started or if there's a lag, but anywho, welcome back. I'm going to be doing a 2x2 within repeating measures Anova. The two independent variables is going to be the drug and the therapy. There's two levels to both levels. There's going to be one placebo, the other one antidepressant. For therapy, there's going to be no therapy, and there's going to be CBT. And the dependent variable is the amount of suicidal thoughts. And alrighty, so you'll run a test. So you're gonna go to GLM. You're gonna go to repeated measures. You're gonna click here. You're gonna put in these factors names. So the first one is drug. The second one is therapy. And this right here is the level. Then you're gonna press define. And then you're gonna put these in the corresponding ones. See how the placebos are all in the ones. And then this no CBT and this no CBT is 1. And this CBT and this CBT is 2. And this the drug is 2. So I didn't really understand the packet much, but according to Professor Grande in the video, you do plots. You put the drug in the horizontal axis, therapy in the separate lines, and then press add. And then you're going to press bar chart and include error bars. You're going to do options, and then you're going to do descriptive statistics and estimates of effect size, and then you're going to press OK, and then you'll come up with this. So there's mean your standard deviation and the number in the groups. Alrighty. I don't really know how to read this one. I really don't. But the Mockleys test of sphericity. He basically said that if there's a period, it means that's because there's only 2 levels, and it can't do anything with it unless there's more than 2 levels. Um, yeah, so there's that. It's kind of wonky. And okay, this right here, because it's wonky, it if I remember correctly, it violates. Okay, describe the assumption of sphericity. Sphericity is the variances of the difference between conditions are equal, and then it asks if this assumption has been met. And if I remember correctly, basically how to say it is it violates the assumption of sphericity. I get it confused and backwards, so hopefully this is correct. The main effect in APA format is the effect significant, and how would you interpret it for drugs? So since we can't assume sphericity, we're going to use the greenhouse geyser. So F F1 equals 1.459, 0.314 p-value isn't what's it called? It isn't significant. I mean, according to like the p-value, but I really get confused about the partial eta squared. So for therapy, the F is obviously really big. 53, 530.842 for F for therapy, and it's less than 0.001 for p-value, and it obviously has a very high effect. This has a high effect, and I'm thinking I get really confused with. So I thought eta squared. I thought this would be almost significant, but I don't know. Maybe not. The interaction has an F of 192.667, less than 0.001 with the P. My conclusions is the drug alone isn't effective. Therapy alone is effective, and yes, interaction was significant. Ooh, what happened here? Okay. So I get really confused on this, and I was thinking that there was something that like changes two words, but maybe not. Maybe not. No, no, I'm gonna mess stuff up. Oh no. Okay. So, anyways, so this one and this one, this two, all that good stuff. So 1 and 1, if I remember correctly here. I think I wrote that down somewhere. Goodness gracious. I don't really have good memory. I'm sorry. Okay, so 1 and 1 is placebo, no CBT. Oh, goodness. Okay, so 1 and 1 is going to be placebo, no CBT. This right here is going to be the placebo with CBT. This is going to be the drug, no CBT. And this is going to be the drug with CBT. So this shows that the group that has the lowest um, basically bar is the drug and CBT. The drug with no CBT had more suicidal thoughts without the CBT. This right here is the placebo with CBT, and it's higher than this one, but it's still lower, than this one, which is placebo and no CBT, which would basically, I guess, be the control group. So yeah, and that's how you run a within.